Alright, I'm going to put the dehumidifier in. It's always cold and wet, damp here, so anything we have, boats, caravans, etc., always get very moist. So I'm going to turn the power on, and this is the teardrop project, so it's still a bit of a work in progress. But it's currently got a 50 amp hour lithium battery in there, and it's been sitting for ages too, so that would normally be kind of 13.2 or something. Anyway, I'll crack it open and get the solar panel going so that it will trickle charge. I can actually see what current it draws. Alright, so that panel needs a bit of a clean, but it will get some power in. I've actually fitted, it's up 13.1, I've put a screen grab in, but I fitted in there a Renogy solar controller so I can get a readout of how much power is going in. And inside here I've got some USBs. Now I hope that's going to be powerful enough to run this. There's a 2-watt drawer, I think, but I'll fire it up and see how we go. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess in here. Certainly a work in progress. But I'm going to stick the little humidifier up here. Make sure the tray is in. It's running. I can hear a little fan and we have a green light. I'm going to close it up and just let it run. Alright, it's been running for about an hour. I've got it sealed up. It's sitting in the full sun. It's like 24 degrees today and fairly dry in the air, but we've had a lot of rain recently. So this has been running for an hour. What have we? Oh, yes, there we go. Hopefully you can see that there is liquid in it, so it's working. The carpet here doesn't feel damp in here, but there's obviously some moisture in here, so it's cool. Working. I'll check back in a couple of hours. Alright, got him a bit later than I planned, but I wanted to, this is sort of 24 hours and a bit later on. Let us have a little look. Wow, okay, that's doing the business. Check that out. That is a massive amount of liquid it's pulled out. So I can call that a success. It's doing well. I'm not entirely sure how much power it has drawn. Oh yeah, okay. Like that's hardly any. I'm guessing today it topped up, but we got 12.6, so it's doing well. This is day 2. It's about 10:30 in the morning. Ooh, that battery has dropped quite a bit at 9-ish volts. At least so that was just running overnight. And that's actually shut off. So I'm assuming it shut off because of low power. But yeah, interesting. That is really full of water. A lot. So this thing works really well, but it does draw a bit of power.